it's just what a sight it is. Here, this is what was actually on the moon, and we have an example of what was happening when these spacemen came out of the module and stepped out onto the moon. Can you imagine just being the very first person coming out of this capsule here, out of the lunar module, after it's landed, and you're looking around, you have no clue what's going on because you're out in space, and it's probably not very bright out there to boot. So here these guys are coming out in these really heavy space suits, and you see the packs on the back of them. That's their oxygen, and then they have these face shields because they're really close to the sun, and it gets really bright there. And then you see on the surface here these huge pods, so that when it lands, it has a softer landing, an area where it won't sink into the sand, because there was a lot of sand there on the moon. But here we are again, talking about space and Mars. And our VBS program is just going to be super and fantastic. And I got a question for you all. What have you learned so far? Has it been a good week so far? I hope so. I hope you've learned a lot. I hope the crafts have been great. The stories have been fantastic. The games, I know you like games. And then, of course, there's the snacks. I bet you love the snacks. We have great snacks this year. So, anyways, let's continue to have fun. Let's learn. Let's enjoy. And just have so much fun. And we'll talk to you later.
I'm going to step off the limb. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Columbia, this is Houston, ALS, over.
Houston, Columbia on the high gain, over.
Roger, the EVA is progressing beautifully. They're setting up the flag now. I guess you're about the only person around that doesn't have TV coverage of the scene.
That's all right, I don't mind a bit.
They've got the flag up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface.
Are you getting a TV picture now, Houston?
Neil, yes, we are getting a TV picture. You're in our field of view now.
I'd like to evaluate the various paces that a person can traveling on the lunar surface. You do have to be. All right, you do have to be rather careful to keep track of where your center of mass is. Sometimes it takes about 2 or 3 paces to make sure that you've got your feet underneath you. And about 2 or 3 or maybe 4 easy paces can bring you to a fairly smooth stop, like a football player. You just have to put out to the side and cut a little bit.